Ayan ka, dumadagubdob. Ayan, wala kasi. Kasi naputol yung ano ko, video ko. Yan ang ampalaya. Okay, there. Yung rosemary ko ang laki-laki. Yan siya. Sorry, naputol yung video ko kanina. So I'm gonna go back out here. Because of this. My new phlox. Echinacea. That's my beautiful tree. Yan, montauk. Oh, hi butterfly. Yan siya. This is my balloon flower. So beautiful. Look, gorgeous. I want to transfer more of that. My husband's tomato is not doing anything because there's not a lot of sun. Yan siya. That's my rhododendron. Ito ang gusto ko. Echinacea. Yan siya. Gamot kasi yan eh. Yan. Isn't that beautiful? Yan ang calendula. Calendula is also an herb that they use for children's and babies lotion. Calendula. Very beautiful. Yan, wala na yan. Tapos na. Tapos na yan. Tapos, oh, more butterfly. Umuulan eh. It's raining soon. I have so more. Ito ang aking bonsai that I cut that 2 weeks ago. At saka yung malaki na yan, I still have to trim that. Ayun, marami pa akong i-trim. Oh. Yun. Ito. Yan. See? This, I have to trim. At saka ito, oh, yung maganda ko, I have another one on the other side. Look. How gorgeous is that? Aba, bukas yung... Bakit bukas yung ano ko, yung gate ko doon sa kabila? Okay. So anyway, umulan. Hi, butterflies following me. Kasi yung spring flowers ko tapos na ito. Ang bleeding hearts ko, I have to take the flowers so it could bloom again in the fall. Yan, laki-laki na. There's more hosta for me. My prized hosta. My favorite. Ito, my Japanese maple has to be trimmed. Yan. Daming trabaho. It's my food dogs. My hosta. That's the entrance. Here goes. Diba? Ang ganda ng aking food dog and my hosta is beautiful. It's like one of my favorite plants. Super beautiful. More trimming. My gardener is gonna trim the rest and I'll trim only my special trees that I like to trim. Ayan na, umulan na. Ooh. Look at that. How gorgeous. I hope to replant some of them. Kasi ang ganda-ganda yan. That's what we call the balloon. Kasi pag hindi lang gano'n yan, open, parang balloon siya. Ayan o. Yan ang bud. This is how the bud looks like. Yan siya. Yan. See? Parang balloon. And then when it opens, it becomes that beautiful periwinkle blue. That's my favorite colors too. Periwinkle blue. Yan siya. That's my Japanese peonies that I own, that I planted 15 years ago. Ang ganda-ganda yan. Wala na eh. The bloom is finished. And clematis that my husband planted is growing very well. Ayan ang ulan. I'm gonna go in. That's transferred the other day. I transferred that. Ito ang aking river birch tree that needs to be trimmed at the trunk. Itong ganda. I planted that over about 20 years ago na. Ito siya. Okay, I'm gonna go through here again. Yan ang aking more of that. Marami akong itong Dryhangia ko. Ito, Miss Kaminsky, you have that in your garden. Miss Brenda Kaminsky, sister. Ayan o. You could have this dried kasi they will turn into light pink. Tapos you could harvest it and make it into a... Oh, my husband put a solar light. Yan, my collection of rocks. And my little pig. Yung mga peonies ko tapos na. This is my maple tree. I planted like 2 years ago. It's doing well. This is also my bonsai. In a pot in a maple tree. I have to trim it. Oh, hello! Ano to? My peacock. And my hippo. Hello, hippo. Asya. Yan. More plants. I'm gonna be hurrying up kasi umulan na. Ito, I showed it. Baba na ako yan. Siguro mga 4 years old na yan. Itong lemongrass. Tingnan mo yung mangga ko. Ang laki na oh. Ayan. Yan siya. Yan. That's mango from the Philippines. Ayan ang aking atis. Ang laki na. Yung malunggay, yan ang malunggay ko. Laki-laki. Oh. Pwede na tayong maggulay dyan sa munggo. Lagyan ng gulay. Nakita mo yan, ano? Yan isang atis ko pa. That's my atis. Pero yan, laurel yan eh. Yan oh. Ang laki-laki. That's 3 years old. Yung mga taba-taba oh. So I don't buy those anymore. That's my Christmas cactus that blooms in the Christmas time. My pineapple. More. My big orchid. Oh, what's that? That's my ginger. At saka yan, Thai basil. Ang bango. More orchid. And this is my other Japanese plum tree. Ito, mga hosta ko is blooming. Kasi I'm taking a picture. Kaya kung magantay ako na ano, ulanan, wala na to. It's gonna be a hard rain coming. Yan ang aking isang dry hydrangea in different color. Yung doon, myrtle yan. That's a myrtle tree that I planted 2 years ago. I thought it was not gonna survive to. Laki-laki na. Oh. Daming bulak, daming bukol. Stelladoro. More hosta. Ito, beautiful hosta in bloom. I trimmed all the leaves kasi ang daming leaves. So, the concentration of the plant would be on the flowers. Kaya ang daming bukol. Yan. That's my blueberry bush. My herb garden. What is this? Thai peppers. Punong-puno ng bunga. Oh. Ayan. Kung sino gusto mo maanghang dyan, maanghang yan. Ikaw muna, sarado ko yung gate. Sandali. Bakit bukas to? Pati my gardener din na. Ayan. Ayan. Sarado na. Sorrel, tomato. My husband's, he's the vegetable gardener this year. Yan ang kanyang mga cherry tomatoes. Ang daming bunga. Oh! He's proud of his garden. Retired na ako dyan. For this year, siya na lang muna. Yan ang aking bagong kangkong. Sibuyas. More vegetable. Ayan, nakapakita ko na yan. Nagplanta yan kanina. And that's my new patch of dahon kamote. Yun o, kinain ng hayop po. Wala nang natira. More kangkong. So, that's my binka. Here comes the rain. Woo! Here comes the rain. Papa, bye! Ara na? Ang lakas ng ulan. Oh my gosh. Look, it's raining. I'll show you the rain. Tama yan? Ulan, rain, go away, come again another day. I want to garden today. So, ganyan na lang. So, tingnan natin kung anong result. Ay, laki ng ulan, oh. Bye-bye! Enjoy gardening!